Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to save Google Docs as PDF. Like and subscribe support this channel. Let's get started. To the point. In order to save the Google Docs file as PDF and download the file to your computer, you need to open your Google Docs file or create new one. Then we select the file, download. In the menu that opens, we see several formats in which you can save and then download the file. For example, Microsoft Word Docs, TXT and others. Select PDF and the file is downloaded to the download folder installed by default on your computer. If you need to send your document by email, then Google Docs has an excellent PDF file forwarding function. Click File, Email, then email this file. Select PDF from the drop-down menu at the bottom. Enter the recipient's email address in the address bar, for example, your colleague's email. If you want to send the PDF file to yourself, then enter your email address. It's not necessary to fill in the subject and message fields. Hit send and the PDF file will be sent to your colleague's email. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.